Hey YouTube, I'm gonna do a bike check on my BSD frame. BSD bike actually. Got a BSD Forever V2 frame. Forever 41 thermal chromoly. Anyway, I got these grips today. I got Colt Vans grips. They're really comfortable. Sunday Vinny bars. A Fit Bike Co. DLR with a stock headset on there. Works fine. And I got a Primo N4FL front hub, laced to an alienation PBR rim. The premium refuse resist tire. It's really nice. I got a Shadow Conspiracy little ones pegs, front and back. And then built-in hub guards on the hub. And I got a Demotion seat with a Shadow Ravager sprocket, a Shadow interlock chain. I just put this frame on, so it's a little loose, really loose. And then Colony clone cranks here. Colony. And then I got an Odyssey back hub with placed to an Odyssey 7KA rim. The Fit FAF 20.23. Yeah, and the front one's 2.5, but it's huge. An Odyssey Trailmix pedals and a kink seat post. It weighs about 24 pounds. It's pretty light. Back wheel is pretty loud, I guess. Oh, and I got an FBM hub guard on there. FBM hub guard. Here's my bike. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks, later.